Now na alam mo na kung ano yung digital products, their beneficial, and their types, then I would like to introduce to you our course and why you should avail to this course. If gusto mo nang mag-start ng digital product business mo pero wala kang time mag-research about it, and gusto mo nakaset up na lahat, step by steps, and ang gagawin mo na lang is manood and intindihin yung nilalaman ng course. Pre-recorded training ito or self-paced learning program, meaning you can watch it anytime and anywhere you want. A quick backstory, if katulad kita na nagwo-work pero kulang pa din yung sahod sa dami ng gastusin, naghanap talaga ako ng side hustle ko na hindi ako mag-invest ng maraming time since pagod sa trabaho. Nag-try ako mag-TikTok affiliate and luckily kumita din naman ako around 5K. Pero sad to say, hindi ko siya na-pursue kasi swear. Hindi siya madali and alam kong makaka-relate dito yung mga nagti-TikTok affiliate dyan. Hindi sa dinidiscourage ko kayo sa pagti-TikTok affiliate. This is only based on my experience. So that time, naghanap ulit ako ng side hustle hanggang sa lumabas yung content ni Miss Jane about digital product. So doon na nag-start yung journey ko dito sa digital product business. Since interested ako dito, pero ayokong mag-invest ng money right away, I decided to learn everything on my own. Nanood ako ng maraming YouTube tutorials, read blog posts, and followed different creators on TikTok who were sharing their tips about digital products. Since marami na akong alam, gusto ko nang magsimula. Pero I feel overwhelmed and lost at the same time sa dami ng strategies, platforms, and different ways to sell. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung susundin and uunahin ko. Instead of making progress, na-stuck ako sa tinatawag na analysis paralysis. I knew a lot pero I wasn't taking action kasi I was too confused. Wala akong clear step-by-step guide to follow, so I ended up wasting time trying to piece everything together on my own. After ko na-realize na I was going in circles, nag-decide ako to take a risk and invest to this course. Sa una, naging hesitant ako mag-invest ng money since I wasn't earning anything from digital products yet. Pero nung nakapag-enroll na ako sa course na to, nakita ko yung difference. Everything was structured properly and kung paano and ano yung magiging niche ko. Kumbaga, this course is provided a step-by-step system. So in the end, I realized na investing in a course wasn't an expense. It was an investment in my growth. And the reason why I enrolled to this course is dahil gusto ko talagang matuto. And ang maganda pa doon is nabawi ko agad yung invest ko sa course. And alam mo bang pwede kang kumita ng 4 to 5 digits a month sa pagrarasa lang ng course na to? I'll give you a sample computation para mas lalong malinaw sa'yo once na niresell mo itong course. For example, if you sell this course for 2,499 and make 2 sales per day, then you would have 4,998. Imagine this 4,998 is already what I earn in a week at my regular job. So on a monthly basis, you would earn 149,940 pesos. Now, possible ba to? Yes. Could you earn more than this? Definitely yes. Could you earn less? Also yes. It all depends on your effort and strategy. The key to getting more sales is knowing how to market effectively, and the reason why you should enroll to this course is because you want to learn. And from that learning, income will follow. Sabi nga nila, once you gain knowledge and apply what you've learned, money will just follow. And hindi pwedeng uunahin mo yung magiging kita mo tsaka ka matututo. Your success always depends on your effort and dedication. And just a piece of advice, always treat this as a business and not an investment scheme. If you treat this as a real business, starting from small and growing it until it's become a big, then that's a good approach, meaning may improvement sa ginagawa mo. Do you think a business will grow if you don't invest time, effort, and dedication? The answer is no. The same applies to digital products. If you don't put any time and effort, you won't earn from it. Please alisin natin sa mindset natin na nag-enroll naman ako sa course pero bakit wala pa rin akong benta? Kasi baka wala ka namang ginagawa. So, wala ka talagang results na makikita. At the end of the day, how you choose to start depends on your resources. If you can afford to invest, it will help you learn faster and avoid mistakes. But if you don't have the budget, be ready to invest more time and effort into self-learning. Whether you choose self-study and or paid courses, what matters is that you apply what you learn and keep moving forward. So what will you learn inside this course? This course, meron siyang 73 lessons and each lessons naka-pre-recorded. So ano-ano nga ba yung lessons na to? Introduction to digital marketing, how to start your own digital products from scratch, how to create your online course, how to build your own website, how to create your own templates, planners, and trackers, how to create your own ebooks, how to create your own presets, effective marketing strategy, art of selling anything, tutorial how to resell our course and free templates. You will also have an access to a built-in webinar, so hindi mo na kailangang mag-create ng sarili mong videos. Additionally, you will get a built-in website, so hindi mo na rin kailangang mag-create from scratch. You only need to edit a few details. All in all, here's what you will get. Our course, the right to resell the course, 100% commission rate, built-in webinar, built-in website, learn how to automate the system, access to a community, and a free digital products. Everything is set up for you. All you need to do is to take action. If you are interested to join, we have a few slots left, so enroll now.